Hello and welcome to NextET. In this video we are going to demonstrate how to create a new subtitling project with an optional video and source subtitles and how to create your target subtitles file using the built-in NextET subtitles editor. So let me log into the system. This is the dashboard that you're gonna see. Here I'm gonna upload the target subtitles that we're gonna be working on. So I'm gonna use an English version of the subtitles because that's what we're gonna be working on. So I select a file and it uploads to the system. If you don't see the file, you can go to My Uploads and you can always see here all the uploads that you did to the system. So after I've uploaded it, I'm gonna open the file. It's gonna also show up here. And there is this button, Create Subtitle Suite. This is the subtitling project that we're gonna be working on. So after I click it, it will ask me for some of the data. The name is already pre-filled. We can add some description if we want it. Assignee is already me, my user. In target subtitles, already the file that I uploaded is gonna be set. There's a couple of more properties that are gonna be important for us. There is also frame rate, which we have to set, for example 25, or choose the one from your video. And there are subtitling rules preset. These are the subtitling rules that are going to be used for error checking in the editor. There is currently one such rules created, so just use that. So for target language, I'm gonna use English, because that's what we are gonna be translating to, and for source language I'm gonna choose Spanish, because we're gonna show you after that translation, automatic translation from that. So after I've filled all the data, I click Create, and this shows me the view of the subtitle suite, which is the subtitling project that we're gonna be editing. Here you can see there is a question mark which shows such a dialogue. You can follow it to find more information about what is on this screen. Here you can see we can drop a file from your browser, or you can again operation ingest by upload and then drag and drop it from the uploads. In order to save time, I'm gonna just drag and drop one file which I already have uploaded in here. So right now you can play the video here, you can also watch the subtitles and everything. After that, we can click this button, Edit Subtitles, and this is what the subtitle editor looks like. On the left side you see this is the video, which again we can play it. On the right side you can see the subtitles that we're gonna be working on, and here at the bottom you can see an audio timeline. The audio timeline is zoomable with the mouse wheel. You can see I can zoom in and zoom out. Also the subtitles are also visible on it, alongside with any errors they have. The video is resizable, so you can do that in order to have more space for it or for the subtitles. Below the video you can see these are the subtitling rules that we chose. These are the values that are going to be used by the subtitle editor in order to show you errors. You can create new subtitles on the timeline by just clicking and dragging and dropping. This will create a new subtitle. You can edit the text, of course. You can use these buttons here to edit the subtitles. For example, delete is gonna remove the one that I just added. For example, split is going to split this subtitle into subtitles. Merge, if I'm on the previous one, merge is going to revert it to the way it was. Insert is going to insert a new subtitle after the current one. These things also have shortcuts. For example, backspace at the beginning of a subtitle is going to is going to merge it with the previous one. When you click return, this is going to make a second line, and a second return is going to split the subtitle in two. And again, with the backspace, I can merge the two subtitles. As you see, the subtitles are shown on the video, of course, and when you play, you can see the timeline is moving, the subtitles are changing, and so on. A few of the buttons here, these buttons can change the time codes of the beginning and the end. With these here, you can change where the subtitle is positioned, left, right, up, down. This here shows the current reading speed of this subtitle. When I type text, you can see that it changes. Here you can see the longest, the maximum characters per line allowed. This is this number here. It's the same number. And this number before that is the length of the longest line right now. So right now this line is longer, and that's why there is a text error. So that's why the text area is red. If I remove one line, then one character, then there are no text errors. But there are timing errors. So that's why this is red. Here on the timeline, I can resize the subtitles, and you can see again the timing changes, and the reading speed also changes. I can also move subtitles left to right. You can also see errors down here in the timeline too. For example, timing errors are shown as this red line. Text errors are shown as red inside the whole rectangle. And there is also errors between the subtitles, which are shown here. For example, if two subtitles are too close to one another, which is again controlled by these parameters here, these red triangles are shown. So this is everything concerning the subtitle editor. So if I click close, this automatically saves, of course, the file. I'm gonna now also edit source subtitles, which I'm gonna use this button, for example, to automatically upload. I'm gonna upload the Spanish version this time. And so when they are uploaded, you can see they're gonna be shown here. And so right now, both the source and the target subtitles are shown here. If I go to edit subtitles now, you can see right now both are shown again. These are unchangeable. I can write only text here. For those of you who prefer them to be the other way around, there is a swap button which changes. So right now the target subtitles, the edited subtitles are on the right side, and on the left side are the source subtitles. Another nice thing that we have is automatic translation, which if I remove this text, for example, and I click this button, this is going to use the automatic translation system that we have inside, and it's going to put the result subtitles here when it's ready. You can also click in a bunch of them, and then when they're ready, they're going to be replaced with the new text. So thank you for the time, and good luck with editing.